Kizingani village, and we were very lucky. You have a very nice lady who's a cook, and she's cooking there coconut milk. This is masala tea, and over there is the meat, yes, and the beans. I should take them from there, the beans. Yes, they're boiling. And they're adding some spices there.
Yes.
We're in the first of spices.
And here,
Yes,
this is the salt,
yes,
but it's not powder. This is the salt and potato, like French fries. This is the lime, carrots,
okra,
and chili. But this one is not hot, eh? And tomato, that one. You see?
right.
Which one is chili?
And spring onion. This is the chili, but it's not hot, that one. Tomato
Yeah, I know,
salad.
just pepper.
Yes, pepper. And this is a spring onion. And garlic is here. You see the garlic?
Yes. So, and just a view of the surrounding environment here.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Oh, you did the more quick, Asinzingue.